Hey, welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to share with you the turntable paradox with my Super Ball. Check this out. For this investigation, I'm going to use my record player and several different sized balls. This is like a heavy marble, this is kind of a foam ball, a ping pong ball, and this is a rubber Super Ball. Now you're ready to turn on your record player, take the ball that you've chosen and allow it to pick up the same speed as the turntable. And slowly take your hand away. And notice that the ball spins in the opposite direction of the record. I also like this demonstration because the path of the ball appears to curve, which illustrates the Coriolis Effect. Remember, the Coriolis effect explains that as the Earth rotates, circling air in the northern hemisphere, instead of going in a straight path, tends to deflect to the right, while circling air in the southern hemisphere, instead of going in a straight path, tends to deflect to the left. So one thing to note when you're looking at a spinning current of air in the northern hemisphere, it spins counterclockwise, but in the southern hemisphere, you can see it spinning clockwise. I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this presentation, be sure to remember to like and subscribe.